Hey guys, today we're at the Count Potatoes Gallery in the Furniture Mall of Texas, and we're going to be going over 5 easy design tips to help you create a home you're proud of. Now these tips are so easy because they're often overlooked when working in a space. Let's jump right into it. First off, we want to start with a color scheme you absolutely love. This is going to be the foundation of your room. If you love bright colors, then go with a color scheme that resembles that. If you want something a bit more neutral, maybe earthy toned colors that you can change around often, then go with that. At the end of the day, this should be a space you can't wait to come home to. If you've got a large layout to work with, or you typically love hosting gatherings like game night or movie night, a sectional is a great option when it comes to buying a piece of furniture. Another option would be a modular sofa. This here is called the Parmer. You can rearrange the pieces to your liking. A sectional will help you accommodate your guests by providing seating for everyone. This is the Wallace Reversible Chase, great for apartments or spaces that are a bit more cozy. Setting up your furniture in a way that complements your space is so important. Opt for pieces that help your space feel more inviting and that help you feel more comfortable. Don't be afraid of walls. They can be used to completely transform your space. You can get really creative with them. You could build an array of floating shelves. You can hang artwork. Different wall accessories can be used like neon signs or mirrors. In an empty room, a decorated wall can truly add that missing spark. The patterns and textures of a rug help to anchor your space. This simple accessory can elevate the room, making it feel much more sophisticated. Rugs are overlooked accessories, but they are staple pieces that honestly just tie the room together. Finally, plants are a lovely addition to the home. They are incredibly simple and can be placed almost anywhere in your house. They're just really great at adding visual beauty to empty spaces, especially shelving.